Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about various minerals and their significance. Minerals. Minerals are generally inorganic elements that occur naturally in the Earth's crust, and they constitute about 4% of the total body mass and are concentrated mainly in the skeleton. One more important point is body generally uses the ions of minerals rather than their unionized forms, and in some cases the unionized forms are even toxic. Uh, One of the major roles of minerals is to help regulate the enzymatic reactions. Coming to the functions of minerals broadly, minerals such as calcium, iron, magnesium, and manganese are constituents of some coenzymes, and they mainly help to regulate these enzymatic reactions. Magnesium serves as a catalyst for the conversion of ADP to ADP, and minerals such as sodium, phosphorus work in buffer systems which help control the pH of the body fluids. Sodium plays an important role in regulating the osmosis of water along with some other ions, and it is also involved in the generation of nerve impulses. Further, let us discuss about each mineral in particular. Now, coming to calcium. Calcium is one of the important minerals of the body. Coming to its sources, calcium is mainly found in milk, egg yolk, shellfish, green leafy vegetables, and it is the most abundant mineral in the body. It appears in combination with phosphates, and about 99% of the calcium is stored in bone and teeth. One more important point is the levels of calcium in the body are regulated or controlled by parathyroid hormone, whereas the calcitriol promotes in the absorption of dietary calcium. Coming to the excretion, excess amount of calcium is excreted in feces and urine. Coming to its significance, calcium plays an important role in first is formation of bones and teeth, as we all know. It also has a role in blood clotting, normal muscle and nerve activity. It also plays role in endocytosis and exocytosis, cellular motility, chromosome movement during cell division, glycogen metabolism, and release of neurotransmitters and hormones. Coming to the second mineral, it is phosphorus. Coming to its sources, phosphorus is mainly found in dairy products, meat, fish, poultry, nuts, and about 80% is found in bones and teeth as phosphate salts. As calcium, phosphorus is also regulated or controlled by parathyroid hormone, and the excess amount is excreted in urine and small amount in feces. Coming to the significance of phosphorus, phosphorus plays an important role in the formation of bone and teeth, and phosphates such as H2PO4, H2PO4 2-, and PO4 3- constitute a major buffer system of the blood. It has a role in muscle contraction and nerve activity. It is a component of many enzymes. It is involved in energy transfer, and it is also a component of DNA and RNA. Third mineral is potassium. Sources of potassium are meat, fish, poultry, fruits, and nuts. And major cation, it is a major cation in intracellular fluid, and excess amount is excreted in the urine. Coming to significance, potassium is mainly needed for the generation and conduction of action potentials in neurons and muscle fibers. The next mineral is sulphur. Sources of sulphur are beef, liver, lamb, fish, poultry, eggs, cheese, beans, etc. And it is component of many proteins such as insulin and chondroitin sulfate. And it is also a component of electron carriers in electron transport chain, and also some of the vitamins such as thiamine and biotin. It is mainly excreted in urine. Coming to the significance, as a component of hormones and vitamins, it regulates various body activities, and sulfur is needed for ATP production by electron transport chain. The next mineral is sodium. It is the most abundant cation in extracellular fluid. Some found in bones, and normal intake of NaCl, that is stable salt, supplies more than required amount of the sodium for our body. It is mainly excreted in urine and perspiration. Coming to the significance, sodium strongly affects the distribution of water through osmosis. It is a part of bicarbonate buffer system, and it functions in nerve and muscle action potential conduction. The next mineral is chloride. Sources of chloride, as we all know, are table salt, soya sauce, processed food. It is a major anion in extracellular fluid. Excess amount of chloride is excreted in urine. Coming to the significance of chloride, it has a role in acid-base balance in blood. It maintains water balance, and it has a role in the formation of HCl in the stomach. Coming to next mineral, it is magnesium. Uh, Magnesium is mainly found in green leafy vegetables, seafood, whole grains. It is an important cation in intracellular fluid. It is excreted mainly in urine and feces. Coming to the significance of magnesium, it is required for normal functioning of muscle and nerve tissue. It participates in bone formation. It is a constituent of many coenzymes. Our next mineral is iron. Iron is mainly found in meat, liver, shellfish, egg yolk, beans, legumes, dried fruits, nuts, cereals, and about 66% is found in hemoglobin of blood. The normal losses of iron occur by shedding of hair, epithelial cells, and mucous cells, and in sweat, urine, feces, bile, and blood loss during menstruation. Coming to the significance of iron, as a component of hemoglobin, it reversibly binds to O2 and it transports oxygen. And as a component of cytochrome enzyme system, it is involved in electron transport chain. The next mineral is iodine. Iodine is mainly found in seafood, iodized salt, vegetables grown in iodine-rich soils, and it is an essential component of thyroid hormones, and it is excreted in urine, mainly in urine. Coming to the significance, it is required by thyroid gland to synthesize thyroid hormones, which regulates the metabolic rate. Our next mineral is manganese. Some of the manganese is stored in liver and spleen, and it is mostly excreted in feces. Coming to the significance, manganese activates several enzymes. It is needed for hemoglobin synthesis. It is needed for urea production, growth, reproduction, lactation, bone formation, and it is also needed and also in the possible production of insulin. It plays an important role in inhibition of cell damage. Next mineral of interest is copper. Copper is mainly found in egg yolk, whole wheat flour, beans, beets, liver, fish, spinach, and asparagus. Coming to the significance of copper, copper is required with iron for the synthesis of hemoglobin. It is a component of coenzyme in electron transport chain, and it is a component of enzyme that is necessary for melanin formation. Our next mineral is cobalt. It is a major constituent of vitamin B12. Coming to the significance, as part of vitamin B12, it is required for erythropoiesis. Next is fluoride. Fluoride is an important component of bones, teeth, and other tissues. Coming to the significance of fluoride, it appears to improve tooth structure and inhibits tooth decay. Our next mineral is chromium. Chromium is found in high concentration in brewer's yeast, and it is also found in some wine and some brands of beer. Significance of chromium is it is needed for the normal activity of insulin in carbohydrate and lipid metabolism. The next mineral is zinc. It is an important component of certain enzymes, and zinc is widely spread in many foods, especially meat. Coming to the significance of zinc, as a component of carbonic anhydrase, it is important in carbon dioxide metabolism. Zinc is necessary for normal growth and wound healing. Zinc is required for normal taste sensation and appetite. And as a component of peptidases, zinc is involved in protein digestion. Zinc is also required or necessary for normal sperm count in males. And and next and final mineral is selenium. Coming to the sources of selenium, selenium is mainly found in seafood, meat, chicken, tomatoes, egg yolk, milk, mushrooms, garlic, cereal, and grains grown in selenium-rich soil. It is an important component of certain enzymes. Coming to the significance of selenium, selenium is needed for the synthesis of thyroid hormones. It is needed for sperm motility and proper functioning of immune system. It functions as antioxidants, prevents chromosome breakage, and may play an important role in preventing certain birth defects and miscarriages. It also prevents prostate cancer and coronary artery disease. Thank you all for listening. In our next video, we will be updating various vitamins and their significance. Please subscribe to our channel if you like our content.